Hi friends, welcome to English Study Point. Today I am going to discuss about Schreiber theory. So this Schreiber theory is actually a kind of book written by David Morris Kippen in the year 2006. According to this particular theory, Kippen emphasized upon the idea that screenwriters should be given more importance in a film than anything else because screenwriters, they invest more time in writing scripts for the film, so that is why they should be given more importance than the directors. And he in this particular theory criticizing auteur theorists as well as their idea given in the auteur theory. In auteur theory, uh, theorists believe that directors should be given more importance, and which Kippen is criticizing that particular idea, and he is emphasizing that screenwriters should be given more importance because they are spending more energy, more time in writing scripts for the film. Now I am starting this video lecture. So Schreiber is a Yiddish term for a writer. So, David Morris Kippen gave name to this theory by inspiring from mother tongue of America's first screenwriter. He uses the Yiddish word. And that Yiddish word is Schreiber, which means in English a writer. Then the Schreiber theory, semicolon, a radical rewrite of American film history. This was a kind of book published in the year 2006. The term was coined by David Morris Kippen, who was a director of literature at the US National Endowment for the Arts. Then, David Morris Kippen is the former editor of Buzz magazine, and he also wrote reviews about movies by contributing in different magazines. So he used to write reviews about different kinds of movies, and those reviews are written by him in different magazines, and those magazines are, first is the Hollywood Reporter, then Variety, Box Office, The Atlantic Monthly, and the Los Angeles Times. Schreiber theorists oppose against the idea of auteur theorists because auteur theorists believes that directors possess creative genius behind every movie. So in auteur theory, directors are the real authors of their films. So this particular idea was criticized by David Morris Kippen in Schreiber theory, and Schreiber theory in a way acts as a kind of counter theory. According to Kippen, principal writer of a film is screenwriter, so they should be given more importance than the directors. And Kippen believes that a screenwriter has a greater influence on the quality of a finished work. So then with this particular video lecture ends here. Hope this video lecture will help you in your UGC NET English literature exams. Thank you.